welcome to Verdictum. You're with me Ananya Singh, and today we will throw light on the Supreme Court's verdict in the Adani Hindenburg case. In a significant development, the Supreme Court has dismissed a plea that sought a special investigation team probe into the allegations of stock price manipulations by the Adani group of companies. The top court said that the facts of the case do not warrant the transfer of the probe to SIT or any other investigating agency, and the investigation will now be continued by the Securities and Exchange Board of India. The plea before the Apex Court was based on a report by Hindenburg Research, published in January last year, accusing the Adani Group of widespread malpractices aimed at inflating its stock prices, and called for a court-monitored investigation into the allegations made in the said report. The Adani Group, however, refuted all allegations, asserting its strict adherence to all applicable laws and disclosure requirements. The judgment in the case was reserved on November 24th last year by a three-judge bench, comprising the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra. The top court had constituted a committee on March 2nd last year to examine the issue. The expert committee was headed by a former judge of the Supreme Court, Justice A.M. Sapre, and also included notable individuals such as retired Justice J.P. Devdhar, Mr. K.V. Kamath, and Mr. Nandan Nilekani, among others. The committee submitted its report in May 2023 and found no prima facie lapse on part of the markets regulator. The petitioner has, however, alleged that SEBI has conflict of interest in investigating the matter, as it concealed facts of stock market manipulation and molded the law so as to benefit the Adani Group. However, during the hearings, the bench orally remarked that there was no reason to doubt the investigation conducted by SEBI. An affidavit was also filed in the case earlier, which pointed out that Cyril Shroff, who is the founder and managing partner of the reputed law firm Cyril Amarchal Mangaldas, is part of the committee of SEBI that is investigating the matter, and Shroff's daughter is married to Gautam Adani's son, which gives rise to conflict of interest again. Considering this, the bench expressed reluctance to accept arguments against the impartiality of the members of the expert committee and rejected the arguments pertaining to the concerns about conflict of interest among the expert committee members. Noting that SEBI has concluded its investigation in 22 out of 24 cases, the court directed SEBI to expedite its investigation in 2 pending cases and conclude the probe within 3 months. The Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, while delivering the verdict today, also emphasized on the limited power of the court to intervene in the regulatory domain of SEBI. The court further said that in the present case, investigative reports by press can act as inputs for SEBI but cannot be taken as credible evidence or a proof of regulatory failure by SEBI, and it cannot cast doubt on the investigation being carried on by a statutory body. With that, I am Ananya Singh. Thank you for watching Verdictum. For more such informative content, subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android for latest legal updates.